There's a party going down at the Casa de Britt. Bring all your friends as long as they are chicks.
Today's top story, newspaper mogul James Reid was found dead, leaving his son in charge of his media empire.
I'm Kato. I'm sorry to hear about your father.
Who is Kato?
He worked on your father's cars and made his coffee.
Beer?
Lay it on me, Kato.
You are full of little surprises.
Check this out.
You drew all these?
Wanna see something cool?
Whoa! Think about this, Kato. I haven't done anything good my whole life. We've been wasting our potential. You a little bit more than me. This city needs our help. We could be heroes.
Okay, I'll need some weapons.
Yes, we will.
And armor. But no tights.
Good.
Are you ready to die?
I control the crime. I control the city.
Let's roll, Kato.
The Green Hornet has been attracting a lot of attention.
Whoa!
Is the gas gone?
How come I'm the only one with a gun?
Because you don't have fighting experience.
How does it even work?
Hey, okay.
Do you work for Mr. Reid?
I'm his executive associate.
He's my man.
I'm not your man.
He's not my man. We're just platonic friends. Yes.
I want the head of the Green Hornet.
I want it tonight.
Kato, we have a secret mission. Take my hand. Come with me on this adventure.
I'll go with you. But I don't want to touch you. Careful this time.
Careful.
Okay?
I just want to look at it. Just give it to me for 1 second and I'll just...